Let's retopologize a t-shirt. First, go to File menu and click Import. You can import the file in either GLTF or FBX formats. As retopology is performed on 2D patterns, make sure to import the file as a 2D pattern. We'll begin with the front bodice by drawing internal lines that will form the base for retopology. Click the Edit tool, right-click on the armhole point of the front panel pattern. Then select Create Internal Shape Greater than Horizontal to draw a horizontal line that extends toward the center front. Right-click the center front line and select Add Point at Intersection to divide the outline. Then, right-click the newly divided line and select Add Even Points. Enter the number of points you want to add. We will add 8 points. Repeat the same on the opposite side seam, and add 9 even points. Go to the shoulder line, right-click, and select Add Even Points to add 2 points. Now, right-click on the armhole line and select Offset as Internal Line. Set the distance to 4 to create a new internal line connecting the shoulder and side seam points. Then, select the internal points and click Snap by Distance to connect them. Select the internal curve, hold Shift, right-click the horizontal line, and choose Add Point at Intersection. Then, click the pen tool to draw a vertical internal line from that point down to the bottom line of the pattern. Delete the unused points. Add a point where the new vertical internal line intersects the bottom edge. Now, add 4 evenly spaced points along the upper center front line. Right-click the neckline and select Offset as Internal Line to draw a line from the shoulder point to the newly created front point. Then, select the internal points and click Snap by Distance to connect the points together. Next, add 4 evenly spaced points on the neckline and 7 on the armhole. Use the pen tool to connect the second point on the neckline to the second point on the armhole. Click the Edit tool, right-click on internal line you just created and select Add Even Points to add 2 points. Select the overlapping internal curves, right-click, and choose Add Point at Intersection to add intersection points. Now, click the point you want to adjust. While holding Ctrl, right-click the reference point and select Snap. Repeat for the opposite side. The basic setup for retopology is now ready. Next, we'll divide each segmented area into rectangular internal shapes of similar size. Hold Shift to select both the central horizontal internal line and the bottom line. Then right-click and choose Create Internal Lines Between. Enter the number of lines you want to create. In this case, we'll add 8 internal lines. Repeat the same process on the other side. Select the central horizontal internal line and the neckline internal line together, then right-click Create Internal Lines Between to generate 3 lines. Repeat the same process by selecting the center front line and the armhole internal line to create another 3 internal lines. Move the point to align it with the lines. Then right-click Add Point at Intersection on the internal line to add points where they cross, and snap nearby points to it. We will try a different method for the remaining internal lines. Right-click the internal line and select Add Even Point to add 3 points. Then, snap the points together. Repeat the same process on the other internal line segments as well. Then, use the pen tool to draw the remaining line. Next, select the lower center front line, hold down the Shift key, right-click the vertical internal line, then choose Create Internal Lines Between to create 3 lines. Complete the rest using the pen tool. Click the Transform tool and select the pattern, then click Retopolized in the Property panel to complete the process. To retopologize all patterns in the 2D window at once, just click the Retopology button at the top.